was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a Juicy Couture unboxing, and obviously I'm going to be unboxing a pair of shoes, or in this case a pair of boots. Quick little backstory. I apparently have been living under a rock because I had no idea that Kohl's does not sell Juicy Couture anymore. Like the full-fledged clothing line of Juicy Couture that was at Kohl's for many years. Yeah, I had no idea that it wasn't at Kohl's anymore. I also had no idea that Kohl's got rid of a lot of its brands last year. I had no idea about that. So that was very interesting. But luckily, Juicy Couture is still kind of being sold at Kohl's. Their shoes, of course, are still being sold, and their beauty line, which is basically only perfumes, is also still available. I purchased a pair of boots for the winter. I guess you could still also wear this during the fall and the spring, during the transitional period of the seasons, but I really fell in love with these boots when I saw the picture online, so I'm really hoping that they don't disappoint. Also, I'm not sure what the quality is like anymore, because I know that JCPenney has a line of Juicy Couture products also, so I'm not sure if it's going to be on par with how it was at Kohl's, which was actually not too bad when it was fully in the store. But of course, nothing is going to be as top-notch quality as Juicy Couture back in the day used to sell it, in my opinion. So let's just get into the video. So of course we have the beautiful Juicy Couture box with the pink packaging and the black font, which just says Juicy Couture, Los Angeles, California. Standard box, very adorable. I might actually keep the box just because it matches my room. So on the side it just shows the style of the shoes that I purchased, and it's in the color blush in a size 8. Of course, I will link everything down below as per usual. I believe that these boots also came in 2 other colors. I think it was black and possibly a gray silver. I don't really remember. But like I said, these are in blush. Brownie points for the pink tissue paper. Okay, so let me see. And I ripped it, of course. So I was going to show my sister's shoes. She ordered also a pair of Juicy Couture slipper shoe, moccasin type of shoes, but it was literally delivered to us without a box, just thrown in a poly bag. I kind of wish that they actually thought of putting it in a Juicy box. I'm not sure why it was in a poly bag. Who knows? Lots of different reasons why. So right off the bat, they're so sparkly and so pretty, but also bam in your face, which I really love. Also, a couple of things that I'm a little unsure of. One is I'm noticing some scuffs immediately on the shoe, so I don't know what that's about. It does not look like someone has worn this. I will be cleaning my dresser after this, but I think that this looks like a warehouse problem. That maybe it was not being stored in the best location in the warehouse. So I'm really unsure actually if this is scuffing or if this is something that I can take off. I'm unsure. We shall see. The glitter is very beautiful. The soles are more, I would say that they're blush. I would definitely say they're more tan than anything, but it's still, you know, all meshes together really well. Another thing that I'm noticing, which I don't think is too big of a deal. For me personally, it may be a bigger deal for some of you. The seams of where the design and the boot meet are super uneven. I'm not sure if it's such a big deal when you have it on, because I don't think people are going to be, you know, really looking at those types of details on your boot. But it's just the quality that you would expect is not quite it. So, like, what is this? Honestly. What is this? I could probably go in with my shears and cut off some of the excess. I really don't think that there's an excuse for this. The plastic is under here too. So that's a little bit disappointing. I still may keep them, but there's already a few things that are concerning to me. The other boot, however, looks a lot more nice. on the seam. I would take this shoe over the other one, to be honest. So the laces are pink also, which, like I said, matches with the overall color scheme of the boots. So they are lined with this like faux Sherpa teddy material, which should definitely keep your feet warm. You probably can't see too much in the camera, but it has the Juicy Couture logo on the interior of the shoe as well. Forgot to show. Everywhere it says Juicy, it says on the back of the boots. There's also the crown design on the back as well, and each one of the sides has the little Juicy font on it too. So I mean, overall I'm not super unpleased. It's just a little disheartening that the quality looks to be not quite what I was expecting. I'm still deciding whether or not I'm going to actually keep the shoes or if I'm going to return them for these reasons. We'll see, because it also depends on how it looks on too. I can pretty much guarantee I'm going to get those marks off of the left shoe, but it's just the seams are really not it. And I will tell you guys what I paid for these. These were originally $79.99, then they went down in price to be $67.99, and I paid, I think, under $50 for these. I want to say 40 something dollars. With Kohl's Cash or coupons, or I don't even remember what I used. I believe with the coupon. You know, if I paid $80 for these shoes originally, I would be super unhappy, but given the fact that I did pay almost half, I'm not super... I may keep them is what I'm saying. Whether or not that's a deal breaker for you, I'm just, you know, here to let you know what I received. So you might want to rethink purchasing boots from Kohl's. I am unsure if they're selling the same exact quality and the same exact style shoes that they are in Kohl's as they are in, you know, Macy's or JCPenney, but this is just my experience with these specific shoes from Kohl's. So as it turns out, I will be keeping these shoes. They do look pretty adorable on, and I think for what I'm going to be utilizing them for, which is, you know, snowy weather, rainy weather, they're pretty much good enough for that while still looking decently adorable. Would I buy these again? No, I would not buy these again, but I was not, like I said, I was not disappointed enough to return these. I am still a Juicy Couture lover. I still love everything Juicy. I've never grown out of that phase, and I'm so glad that Y2K fashion is coming back in full force, because that's making Juicy Couture just a whole lot more relevant. I have ordered some other things recently from Juicy Couture, and I plan on reviewing those items as well. If you guys want more videos like this or want more Juicy Couture unboxing / review videos, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below and turn the notification bell on for all of my future uploads. Also, let me know what you guys would have done if you would have returned these shoes or if you would have settled and kept them. I'm just really curious of what you guys would have done. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at THENERDYFASHIONGIRL. That is the platform that I am most frequently posting on. You can find all the rest of my social media links down below, including my Twitter, Twitch, Pinterest, yada yada yada, everything else. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I guess I never loved you like I love